Hello, Peaches. My girls are going to love me for this. Say hello, Peaches. Meow. This is our new store, Keilor. We've got over 3,000 square metres of nursery here. I mean, look, we've got everything from a massive range of indoor plants of hedging and edible plants and tropical plants, palms, ornamentals, fruit trees. Everything you need for your garden is right here. So Peaches is our mascot here at Keilor. She jumps around our aisles and almost too friendly with customers. She literally rides on their trolley while the customer's trying to maneuver around for a trolley. She's become part of our family, which is great. So yeah, you know, we're all about bringing back the local garden nursery where if someone comes in, we've got the time and the patience to go through things, give them recommendations in regards to what they can plant, or we can actually help someone who comes in with a couple of photos and we can actually work with them to come up with the garden that they want to create.